Hi, welcome to your last full week of school. Today we're going to learn how to use the stop, op, and go method or tool. So in other words, you will learn how to stop and consider options before you go or act. So why do you think it is important that we learn how to problem solve to get solutions to tough problems? That's right. There are going to be times where you're going to have a tough problem to solve, and you're going to have to come up with a way to solve that problem. Now look at the stoplight. What does each light of the stoplight mean? What does the red light mean? And that's correct. The red light means that you need to stop. What does the yellow light mean? Yes, the yellow light means to slow down or go with caution. And what does the green light mean? You are right. The green light means to go. You are going to learn how to use a stoplight to learn how to problem solve to reach better solutions to avoid the red zone and improve how you get along with others. When you find yourself moving towards the red zone, you will need to stop, just like the red light. While you're at the yellow light or in the yellow zone, you will want to slow down and think of as many options as possible, or opt. They both can be good or maybe not so good. So you're listing all the options possible to solve your problem. Remember, while you are considering each option, you need to look ahead to consider what will happen next if you choose that option. After you opt, think of your options. You need to go with your best one. You can remember this because it is similar to the fire safety slogan, stop, drop, and roll. Remember, if you find an option that is not working for you or a tool that is not working for you, you can stop, opt for a different option, and then go again. For today's activity, I'm going to read to you 3 different scenarios. And I would like you and your family to work through the scenarios and fill out this worksheet. After I read each scenario, I will make sure that you pause the video to work together. Your first scenario, as you can see on the screen, it says, you lost your game. This game could be a sports game or a board game. I want you to list as many options to help you get through this maybe tough time. Maybe you're in the yellow zone because you lost your game and you're upset about it. Come up with as many options as you can. List them at the bottom of the page. There are more directions at the bottom of the page. When you're done listing your options, I want you to highlight using either the red or yellow, depending on which zone you would use them in, and highlight them. Then I would like you to use the green highlighter and bold the best option that you went with. So remember, using using yellow or red highlighter to cross off the options that would cause you to go in those zones, and then use the green highlighter and the bold choice for the best option that you plan to go with. Go ahead and push pause. Alright, I hope you and your family were able to come up with some good options for you. For this scenario, it says the teacher doesn't call on you when you had your hand up and you knew the answer. So just like the first example, I would like you to list all your options and then highlight them according to whether they put you in the green zone, the red zone, or the yellow zone. just like the first one. When you're working on this, make sure you push pause. Alright, so for your last and final scenario, here is your scenario. Someone stole your favorite item. You're doing the exact same thing. You are going to be highlighting the ones that could potentially put you in the yellow or red zone, and then you're going to highlight the best option, and you're going to highlight that green and select bold also. Don't forget to push pause. All right, now that you have this new tool, stop, opt, and go, that you can use, that can help you become better problem solvers, how can you help each other use this? You should or need to add this tool to your toolbox. Remember, we need to help each other. Help each other use our tools, and think of the stoplight the next time we have a problem or feel ourselves moving into the red zone. I can't wait to see you guys on Friday. I hope you enjoyed the assignment.